easy to become thirsty. Uh, One of the signs of type 2 diabetes is the ease of becoming thirsty. Um, but the but it is common uh, for a person who has this so to have this condition to want to drink uh, fruit juice or soft drinks. These give their their bodies uh, too much glucose. But if there is too much glucose in the blood, the mind or the brain tells the body to uh, piss off this glucose. This is the reason why people with type 2 diabetes constantly pee. Uh, as a result, uh, the person with type 2 diabetes becomes thirsty again. This repeats constantly. Doctors advise that it's best if a person who is suffering from type 2 diabetes, whoever they are, it's best by far that they train their body to drink, or they train themselves to drink water, because this drink doesn't have too much sugar. Okay. Now let me try to interpret that or summarize that article. No, no adda ka ti type 2 diabetes. Uh, Malasin mong nalaka ka nga mawaw. Iso nga ti gagangay nga aramidem ket uminom ti fruit juice wenno soft drinks. Ti daytoy nga inumen adu ti glucose da. Ket ibagati no adu ti glucose ti daram, ibagati utek mo ti bagim nga agispo ka. Ngem no agispo ka, mawaw ka manen. Ket agbirok ka manen ti inumen nga daytoy nga adu ti glucose. No, iso nga ti balakad ti doktor, sanayam ti bagim nga uminom laeng ti danom ket daytoy nga inumen awan ti glucose na.